Um, Today, something new with Monkey, we'll be unboxing the Sony Bravia X75 series, 50 inches model with the X1 processor, 4K Ultra HD, and really excited for this. I've bought it, went offline, bought it at the Chroma store nearby, and got it at a rate of 58,000. Now let's start the unboxing. We got our trusty knife and we'll open this. Okay, so fairly easy to open this. Here and here. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Okay, so it's opened up now, and I'll keep it down and open it. Oh God, that's dang heavy. It's really heavy. Over here, and wow, that's beautiful. So we got a setup guide from Sony. Setup guide, as you can see, and now the setup guide is here. Let's keep it aside. And then, what else do we get in the box? Let's just check it out. And it comes out smoothly. It's the adapter for God. Sam. It's really into mess. So this is the adapter. We have the battery, all that good stuff, and it's 9.5 volts AC adapter right here in the package. Got that. So all the good stuff is there in this. Okay. Keep it aside. And then let's take this thermocol out. God. Some ASMR content, and this is the remote you get in the box. We'll be reviewing the remote in the review video part 2 of this. This is just the unboxing. So that's the remote. Want to open it side. Then we got the stands, some for the stands. We got some nice metal, hard, durable stands. And there's this second one. Got that. And wow, this TV is damn big. I don't know where to start from.
Should I help?
No, you don't. God, so
I'm telling, I should help.
okay, fine. Nani, come help.
But it's locking on. Oh.
Okay, and yeah.
Okay.
Got that. You hold that same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Don't leave it. No matter what happens. Okay. Okay, boy. Okay. Turn it.
Cut.
Wait.
Wow.
Wait. And
Ooh.
this is a big boy. It's a big boy,
This is damn heavy.
Yeah, it's really heavy. And there we have it. That's the TV, and yep, that's all the stuff that comes inside the box. So be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the review video. Goodbye.